Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General clearance event for June 2022, and we have a lot to go over. In fact, this is going to be part one of probably 3 videos going over clearance event visuals and coupon matchups. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And also make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload part 2 and 3. Now, I do have a small favor to ask of y'all. If you could please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below this video, and take a second to share the video. Even if you just share the video to yourself in a text message or an email, hit the share button. It's right down below this video, and share it to yourself or to a friend. All 3 of those things tell YouTube that, hey, this video is worth watching, and they will actually put it into other people's recommended watch list. Now, as you all are about to see, I put in a lot, and I mean a lot of time into these Dollar General clearance event videos because honestly, this is my favorite part of couponing at Dollar General. So I have put hours upon hours of research into these clearance event videos, going from store to store, looking for POG clearance items that I think y'all need to be aware of, looking up coupon matchups, looking up rebates, I mean the whole 9 yards. And then on top of that, I go through and I make individual slides for each product so that you guys will have those screenshots in your phone while you're out shopping during the clearance event. So in order for these videos to continue to be worth my time, the time that I put into this, the time that I'm away from my family while I'm working on these videos, I really need y'all's help. So please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Alright, so now let's get into talking about this clearance event. So as most of y'all know, I'm sure, this clearance event will start on Friday, June the 10th and run through Sunday, June the 12th. So what is going to be included in this clearance event? Well, first up is my favorite category, POG clearance. So if you guys go into your store and you see any orange tagged products, they may say 10% off or 25% off. All of those items are going to be an additional 50% off this weekend. Now, your stores may or may not be tagged with those 10% or 25% off stickers, and that is where the magic of these videos and having the screenshots come in handy, because once you guys are in the store, you'll know exactly the products to look for on the shelves as y'all go through, and you'll be able to find some items on clearance that other people aren't aware of. Alright, next up we have our clearance section. So that is pretty self-explanatory. So anything in your clearance section will be an additional 50% off starting on Friday. Alright, next up we have our seasonal items. So we have purple dot items. Those are already marked down to 25% off. Starting on Friday, there will be an additional 50% off. Next up we have brown dot. Those are already marked down to 90% off. So starting on Friday, there will be an additional 50% off of that price. Next up, we have blue dot apparel. This is already marked down to 50% off. Starting on Friday, an additional 50% off. And then last but not least, we have Memorial Day flowers. These are already marked down to 25% off. So starting on Friday, an additional 50% off. Now, before we get into the visuals and the coupon matchups, I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that I put together an awesome video going over Dollar General clearance events in general. So in that video, I go over pretty much everything that you need to know all about clearance events. All of the frequently asked questions are answered in that video. So if you are new to the Dollar General clearance events, if you've never been before, or if you have questions, please go and check out that video. I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's talk about coupons really quickly. So, to the best of my ability, I have went through and found all of the coupon matchups, whether it be digital, insert, or printable coupons, okay? But it is possible that I may have missed some, so if y'all find anything as we go through these, please leave it in the comment section down below if I missed anything. But I just wanted to give y'all a heads up that a lot of our digital coupons line up with the printable coupons that we have available right now on Inbox Dollars. So if y'all want to double up on some of these deals, go and check out Inbox Dollars and print off your free printable coupons there, because they actually pay you to print off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you 20 cents per coupon when you use them in the store. So go and check them out. I'm going to leave all of my referral links in the pinned comment down below, as well as in the description box. Now, another good resource for y'all is going to be the pnggoodeveryday.com website. So we have a lot of P&G products included in this clearance event. And if you're like me, I no longer get the Tide, Downy, or Bounce coupons in my area. So if you go to the pnggoodeveryday.com website, y'all can print off those coupons. But heads up on this one, don't print those coupons off until Friday morning because they do expire within, I think, 24 hours of printing them off. So y'all wait until Friday to print those coupons off right before y'all go shopping. All right, now let's talk about the individual items that are going to be included in this clearance event. So our first category that we're going to go over are paper products. Now, I do want to give a big disclaimer on this category because even though these items were included in the clearance list, typically we see like a 10% drop in price leading up to the clearance event, but these items are still ringing up full price. So it's going to be a hit or a miss whether these items will automatically ring up an additional 50% off at the register on Friday. In my opinion, I'm thinking that it's going to vary from store to store, and depending on how much inventory they have and how fast they want to move these items out, whether or not they're going to manually adjust it down an additional 50% off. So big disclaimer there, just a heads up, but I wanted y'all to go ahead and have the visuals and be on the lookout for these items. Now, as you all know, we have seen a lot of price increases over the past few months, so I think that this is the reason why they're moving a lot of these paper products out of the store to bring in the new products with the new packaging and along with that a new price point. So for instance, at a couple stores I went to, they had the Scott Comfort Plus 12 count bath tissue included in their clearance section, specifically the ones that were marked at $5. So again, I think this is going to vary from store to store depending on what they have in stock at their store and how much overstock they have, because they may be trying to move out that old packaging in order to make room for the new Scott bath tissue packaging and probably price point. So if you find the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue, don't forget we have that 3 off 15 instant savings, so you could definitely come up with a really awesome deal if y'all can find enough of it. All right, next up we have some Cottonelle items. So we have the Cottonelle flushable wipes, the ones in the green packaging and the blue packaging. Those are going to be $1.12. We also have the Cottonelle bath tissue 12 count, so the purple packaging and the blue packaging. Again, if y'all notice, those have the $5 price marked in the corner on the package. All right, next up we have some Kleenex and we have some quilted northern bath tissue. So this is the 12 double rolls. These are going to be marked down to $3.37. We do have 2 digital coupons that you can use with the quilted northern bath tissue. Now again, y'all, I think this is going to vary from store to store, but hopefully you guys will luck up and you'll have some really awesome employees that will manually adjust down that price if it doesn't ring up automatically. All right, moving on through, we have several different Angel Soft bath tissues that should be included in this clearance event. So just scan, scan, scan. Some of these are scented, some of them are unscented. We also have the DG Home 4 count bath tissues. These are normally $3.95. They're going to be marked down to $1.97. And we also have the Oh So Strong paper towels. So I found a 2-pack and we also have a 6-pack included. So y'all be on the lookout for those. And then we also have the Heavenly Soft paper towels. This is an 8-pack of paper towels and this will be marked down to $3.50. All right, so our next category is the air care clearance. Now, I'm not going to walk you all through each individual item this time because we would literally be here all day long, but I wanted to go ahead and show you all how I did the coupon matchups this time around. So you're going to see the first slide with the product, such as here we have the Airwick 2 count scented oil refills. They're going to be $2.25. Then on a second slide right behind it, you're going to see we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. So at 50% off at $2.25, after that coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. So be on the lookout for those second slides right after the product, and also I have included insert and printable coupons as well, so be on the lookout for those. Alright guys, so our next category that we're going to go through is the household and cleaning supplies. Now this is one of my favorite categories this time because we have a ton of awesome products. We do have coupon matchups and we have some really cheap cleaning supplies as well. So first up, we're going to go through, we have some personal protection equipment. So things like the Rexall hand sanitizer, the Wipeout wipes, the Clean Saw wipes. Y'all have seen these at your stores for months and months and months now. So all those will be an additional 50% off starting on Friday. Now, one of my favorite categories that are going to be included in this weekend's clearance event, and one of the biggest categories that we have, is laundry care products. So I want y'all to be on the lookout. Scan, scan, scan. Look high, look low, look on the end caps, look in your clearance section, look up front. Just be on the lookout for all of these laundry care products because we have some really good deals. We have these 128 fluid ounce jugs of the Tide Simply Liquid Laundry Detergent, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. And like I said before, check on the pngoodeveryday.com website and you may be able to print off a free printable coupon so that y'all can double up on this deal. Alright guys, so popping back in for just a quick second, I wanted to let y'all know that these are going to be some hot ticket items this weekend at the Dollar General clearance event. We have several different kinds of dish soap, and we also have dishwasher tablets with coupon matchups. So y'all be on the lookout. Again, look in the regular spot where these items are normally at. Also check the end caps and your clearance section, and don't forget to scan, scan, scan. Alright y'all, so moving on into the cleaning supplies category. Again, y'all take your time. If you need to slow down the video, you can do that by clicking in the top right hand corner of this video on those three little dots, and you can slow down the video that way. Or you can pause the video, take your screenshots, or you can just rewatch the video all over again. Y'all take your pick. But we have some really good items in this category as well. We have some Clorox bleach, we have a DG Home mop, and we have a sweeper. So y'all take your time, check out these items because we do have some really good new items that are included in this clearance event. Alright guys, so we made it through part 1 of the Dollar General clearance event videos. Again, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload part 2 and 3, because we have more deals, more coupon matchups, we have freebies with overages to go over, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. And again, don't forget, if y'all have any questions, please go and check out the Dollar General clearance event everything that you need to know video. I'm going to have that linked in the pinned comment down below for y'all. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because it was jam-packed full of awesome products and deals that are going to be included in this weekend's clearance event. Now make sure that y'all stick around because part 2 and 3 are coming up here shortly. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.